Good morning, it's Sandy the Canadian Stamper. It's Saturday, June 8th, and this card's gonna go quick. We've got our craft and chat at 10 o'clock, so I'm still setting up for that. Maybe I'll walk you over and see the projects first. Let's do that. So here's the first one, there, and then let's go this way to see. So, perk of being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator within the lineage of the Canadian Stamper and the West Coast Paper Crafter and Harborview Arts is that we get to participate in something called Super Saturday. And Super Saturday is an all-day event, which is happening today. Good morning, Terry and Kate, I see you jumping on. So the card today is going to be kind of quick for two reasons. One, because of the craft and chat, and then also because of the Super Saturday event. So here's the two other cards that we're doing at the craft and chat. So this one, I absolutely love this embossing folder. It's my fave, my current favorite. And then this is a fun fold. You can kind of see the fun fold. And this is another one. This is the one we're gonna make today. And yeah, so that's the plan for today. And then got some yard work and Costco on a Saturday. Here's the other card. The last one is this one. And it's a fun fold as well. You can't quite see it, but it's a fun fold. Yeah. All right, let's do it. Just gonna put you right in the cradle and we're gonna go. Boom. All right, so you need, you could use your trimmer, but I busted out my scoring tool today. So here's our card. Simple and beautiful. So I'm gonna show you a trick. These are score lines. Hang on, let me show you the one I oopsed. So this is the new beige. So depending on the look you want to go for, do you see one is embossed and one's embossed and one's debossed? So it goes under or it goes over. Thanks, Kate. I love the cards for the classes too. So the other thing that you want to do for this is thick white cardstock. So the reason why I'm doing thick is because it's a simple card and it's just the paper. So actually this is pretty thick, this beige, but the basic white, I feel like it's not as sturdy as this. All right, so let me show you the trick. It's not really a trick, it's just something to be mindful of. So when I was doing this one, I opened this up, put it in my scoring, Simply Scored, and down here at the bottom, they have, this is where the cradle sits there. So you have the small tip and you have the large tip. So we use the large tip. Now what I did was, this is gonna be the card front. So if you want this look where it's debossed, then do it this way. And we're gonna score. But I want it to be the other way. And I want it to be puffed up. So we're just gonna flip it. So we're gonna do it on the reverse side. Also like that, but that one's a bit low. So just be mindful of that when you're putting that together. Now I'm doing 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're 1/4 of an inch apart. So you could do them wherever you want them to be on here. Just bringing up your comments. Yeah, you're right, Jan. It is buffering and doing its thing, isn't it? Oh, Facebook, how I love and not so love you sometimes. So let me show you the paper for this one. Is the Meandering Meadows, plural. And then this one that we're gonna do is Thoughtful Journey. So really what you wanna do is flip through your DSP and find, I had the circle die and then just put the circle wherever on your designer series paper to sort of cut out the piece you're gonna view. I'm over the comments, I can't bring them up. They are not cooperating. So we're just gonna roll with that. All right. To do exactly the same one, let me tell you what the measurements are specifically, if you're interested in the specific measurements. So to get this one, it would be 2 and then 1/4 of an inch all the way to 3. So let's do the same. So this is I'm gonna emboss, or deboss, go this way. So I'm going at 2 and I'm coming down to the score line for the card base. Now go over this a couple of times. So with this stylus, you could use your trimmer if you want, but one score line just doesn't kind of make it, deep enough, I guess, in the paper. So you can feel when you're going through here, you can feel where it sort of gets stuck in the paper and where it needs to go. So I guess I'm going over it 3 or 4 times. So 1/4 of an inch all the way around. Yep. Put that back. So if you wanted it that way, leave it like that. We're going this way. Yeah, okay. So that's that. So we're gonna score this. Oh, I see your comments. Hi. Hi, everybody. So it's an absolutely beautiful day here. I'm looking forward to being outside for a little bit today. That's the plan. Okay, it's gonna be super quick. So this is gonna go here, kind of wherever you want it. Now I have happy birthday, any sentiment that you want. You could do a Father's Day if you want. So don't forget to condition your photopolymer stamp. Now I'm gonna put this here so I get kind of an idea as to where I want my sentiment to go. I should have put this on a mat. It's totally good. So that's boho blue. So remember at the back of your designer series paper package, like the packaging, it tells you what colors match. So you can line that up. Let's do one more. And my little tabletop garbage. What's everybody doing today? Costco yard work for us. This is a terrible scoring job. Look at that. Stand by. I must fix this. Whoops. Now I've done it. Maybe I'll go this way. There we go. Good enough. Okay, so then this is going on. So I'm lining up the base here, and I want a little bit of it to poke out. So I cut my slice the side of my finger off earlier this week. It seems to be going fine though. As far as the healing process, I'm gonna take out these 3 gems. You're going to be gardening. Good, Lori. After the card class. Yep, I will see you soon. Hi, Gail. And everybody. Okay, so I want to line these up. I guess I'm kind of I'm mirroring the lines. It's very linear, this card. You could, go all over with these if you want. It's personal preference. That's it. Quick and easy. Where's my sample? Here it is. It's so random. Facebook just restarted my whole video. Oh, now I'm back to regular. All right, there it is. So just as a reminder, start somewhere on your scoring, and it's 1/4 of an inch, 5 lines. So this one you can see I've moved down a little bit on my lines, and this one's a little bit higher. And you could do any designer series paper. You could also add some texture into your, like with a stamp, to build up your image if you wanted. I don't think it needs to for this one, but quick and easy. There's your cards. Thanks for hanging out. Super fast, 11 minutes. It's crazy. Have an awesome Saturday. Thank you for joining. And I hope you have an amazing crafty day. Sorry, Pam, we're just finished. I see you just jumped on. But I will see you soon, friend, because you're coming at 10 anyways. Yeah, have an awesome day. Bye for now.